What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. A stingray today. Haven't drawn much marine wildlife. Let's try this one. So the eyes are weird. They're interesting. I think they have like gold in the middle sometimes. So small enough. Well, small eyes, but like big body. Probably extends the full width. So center point of my page here. We're just going to come over and start with the eye on this side, right? And he looks angry. So we're gonna like do a U-like bottom of the eye, right? Okay. And then, so he has like a unimpressed sort of top eyelid. Like that, right? Kind of flat. And maybe like the eyelid may go this way. Okay, so it's kind of like an eyelid. Right, and then his eye is kind of golden inside here. So we're going to do sort of an extra line following that. I do like his eye, so I'm going to spend a little extra time, right? So this here, now it's black around. Okay. And then he's got like a pupil inside. Right, it's kind of like that. So, and they seem to have like a top flap sort of thing just up here. Okay, so his eye socket seems to like join, it goes around and joins his head somewhere. So let's see, so we're going to go like this way, like an eye socket shape coming around there, and then this, you could call it his ear, perhaps, maybe. Joins his like skin in here. It comes around. And you got like flaps coming down inside it as well. So like those sort of ear sections or dark parts, kind of. It's like, you know, they're like little holes in his head. Gills, I guess they're probably gills actually, now that I think about it. Right, and then we got like a bone sort of underneath his eye here. And then the top of this eye comes down this way. It's just like the structure of his face in there. Do 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 do. And this kind of goes, it goes back quite far. Joins his back sort of there, so it's like Stingray is all back here. We just get the other sort of eyebrow shape sort of in on the other side. Can't see the other eye, which makes it easier for us, but we can see this kind of bump that joins his sort of back. Goes back this way. Right, so let's try and get some fins and things, right? So the sort of center pointy part of his face, there. And then we'll go, so the fin, the small fin on this side joins the eyebrow there, right? And then it like sticks up down that way. And it's kind of, so it's like bends around, so his main part of his body is sort of here, and like a little edge line around that way. And then the other fin, much bigger, right? And you can see kind of some of the white underneath part as well. So it goes, let's say, so if we did the main part first, coming up here, right? And then the top part that kind of like joins his body around here. It's kind of pointy here, maybe a bit. And then we go around and like folds underneath. The rest of the back of his body kind of goes that way. Okay, so the back then kind of comes from like the eyebrow sort of area, comes up, and then it'll go across this way. We do reach a point where there's these little spikes on his back at some point here. So it joins his tail, and then there's like another bit of his fin here. A bump this way, so like the back of his spine or something. And then the tail starts to go that way. So his tail has like a couple of barbs, and it goes quite long. Back there. Is it spiky on the back end usually? Maybe. I guess because he's a stingray, this is probably stingy. So yeah, we'll bring it back towards the body, and we'll start adding the spikes and stuff. Another fin here. That's the top of his tail, and then spine kind of area. And there's like clusters of spikes and stuff. Little dots and circles might help as well, just for textures. Okay, so fins. So he's got like a little fin here. And then like a spiky one here, I think, like a big spike there, and then another little fin here. Right, and then there's some small little spikes coming up, like his spine, like here, I think. There, and some on the other side. And then we go down the middle. And textures and stuff all over. So I think that's the best I can do. Maybe some little lines just on the fins. Right. Stingray. Very straightforward creature to draw. Maybe a few textures on the bone and stuff here. Yeah, and then color sort of a bluish gray kind of a thing, probably. Maybe with some white spots. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.